Alright, so this is a how-to on converting grams to moles, to molecules, and to atoms. And so the example that I give is convert 4.5 grams of methane, CH4, to moles, to molecules, and atoms of hydrogen. And really there's three steps here. So the first is if we want to convert grams to moles, we can always use the molar mass. And this allows us to go back from moles to grams or grams to moles using the molar mass, which is grams per mole. We can also convert moles to molecules, right? And we can use Avogadro's number, which means we can also go from molecules back to moles using Avogadro's number as well. Lastly, we can go from molecules to the atoms of whatever atoms we're looking for, in this case hydrogen, using the actual chemical formula, which is CH4, which tells you in one molecule of CH4 there's one atom of carbon and there's 4 atoms of hydrogens. So, to set this up, the first thing is we're starting with 4.5 grams of CH4, and we're going to convert that to moles of CH4. So, we know that in 1 mole of CH4, okay, we have a total of 16 grams. Our grams of CH4 cancel, and so what we're left with is 0.28 moles of CH4. Well, now if we're trying to figure out how many molecules, we first have to go through the first step, which converted grams to moles. In order to find molecules, we can now use Avogadro's number using the moles of CH4 from above. So we know there's 0.28 moles of CH4. Okay, and we're going to convert that to molecules using Avogadro's number, which tells us that there are 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules per mole of CH4. And if we solve this, our moles of CH4 cancel, and we're going to be left with the number of molecules, which is 1.69 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of CH4. Now, in the last part of this question, if we were converting 4.5 grams to atoms of hydrogen, then we need to go through each step. We first convert grams to moles, moles to molecules. Now we can convert molecules to atoms. You can't skip one of these steps to go from grams to atoms. Okay, we have to go through the 3 different steps. And so lastly, converting molecules of CH4 to atoms of hydrogen, we can use the conversion that tells us that in 1 molecule of CH4, we have exactly 4 atoms of hydrogen. So in 1 molecule of CH4, we have 4 atoms of hydrogen. We could solve this. Our molecules of CH4 cancel, and we're left with 6.74 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of hydrogen. So this is how you can convert from grams to moles, moles to molecules, molecules to atoms, or in the reverse, we just go backwards. Atoms to molecules, molecules to moles, and moles then to grams.